Father Lord, this morning I come before you, believing that healing is possible. Before the noise of the day begins, before the distractions of life try to pull my attention away, I pause in this quiet moment to lift my heart toward you. There are wounds that only you can see. There are burdens that words cannot always describe. There are places in the heart that have been touched by pain, disappointment, sickness, or exhaustion. But today, I choose to bring those places into your presence. Because where your presence is, healing begins. Father, you know every part of my life. You see the struggles that others may never notice. You see the silent battles that happen within the mind. You see the physical pain that sometimes makes even simple tasks feel difficult. You see the diagnosis that may have appeared on a medical report. You see the test results that brought fear into the heart. You see the conversations with doctors that left more questions than answers. And yet, in the middle of all of it, you remain the God who restores. Your word declares in Jeremiah 30:17, I will restore health to you and heal you of your wounds. So today, I hold on to that promise. I hold on to it when my strength feels weak. I hold on to it when my emotions feel heavy. I hold on to it when healing seems slow. Because your promises are stronger than my circumstances. Lord, today I open my heart to your healing power. Heal the places where fear once lived. Heal the wounds left by disappointment. Heal the areas where exhaustion has taken hold. Let your peace flow into every corner of my life. Father, healing is not only about the body. Sometimes the deepest healing begins within the heart. There are moments when words spoken by others leave scars that are difficult to forget. There are seasons when the weight of life feels overwhelming. But today, I ask you to restore what has been broken. Restore joy where sadness has lingered. Restore hope where discouragement once lived. Restore strength where weakness once remained. Lord, I declare that healing is happening even now. Not because of my strength, but because of your grace. Not because of my understanding, but because of your power. Your word says in Isaiah 53:5, by his stripes we are healed. And today, I declare that truth over my life. I am healed. Healed in my body. Healed in my heart. Healed in my mind. Healed in my spirit. Father, there are moments when medical reports speak loudly. There are times when doctors do their best to explain what the body is experiencing. And I thank you for the wisdom you have given to doctors, nurses, and medical professionals. But today, I also remember that your power goes beyond what medicine can measure. Your healing reaches places that machines cannot detect. Your restoration touches areas that human understanding cannot fully explain. There have been testimonies throughout history of people healed in ways that science could not fully describe. Situations where the diagnosis said one thing, but your power revealed another outcome. Moments where the body began to recover in ways that surprised even the experts. Because you are the God who created the body, and you understand every part of it perfectly. You see what doctors can see, and you also see what doctors cannot see. You understand what science can explain, and you also move in ways that science cannot fully measure. Father, I place every medical concern into your hands today. Every diagnosis, every symptom, every fear connected to my health, every question about the future. I place them all before you, because you are the ultimate healer. Lord, if healing comes through medicine, I thank you. If healing comes through rest and time, I thank you. If healing comes suddenly and miraculously, I thank you. Because all healing ultimately flows from your hand. Father, there are people who wake up each day carrying physical pain. There are people who wake up with chronic conditions. There are people who feel discouraged because their healing has taken longer than expected. But today, I pray that hope will rise again. Hope that your power has not changed. Hope that your love still restores. Hope that healing is still possible. Lord, touch every part of my body with your healing presence. Strengthen the areas that feel weak. Restore the areas that feel broken. Renew the systems within my body that need healing. Let every cell align with the life you created it to carry. Let every part of my body respond to your restoring power. Father, I also ask for healing in the mind. Heal anxious thoughts. Heal the patterns of worry that try to take control. Heal the memories that still carry pain. Replace those thoughts with peace. Replace those memories with hope. Replace that fear with confidence in your love. Lord, I also ask for healing in the heart. There are wounds that cannot be seen by medical scans. There are hurts that cannot be diagnosed by doctors. But you see them. You understand them. You care about them. And today, I invite your healing presence into those places. Let forgiveness replace bitterness. Let peace replace anger. Let compassion replace resentment. Restore the emotional strength that life sometimes drains. Father, today I declare that healing is flowing through every area of my life. Healing in my body. Healing in my emotions. Healing in my thoughts. Healing in my spirit. Lord, even if the journey takes time, I trust that you are working. Every day brings progress. Every moment carries new grace. Every breath is a reminder that life continues because of your mercy. Father, today I release the pain that I have been carrying. I release the frustration that healing has not come as quickly as I hoped. I release the worry that tries to convince me that things will never change. Instead, I receive your peace. Your word says in Psalm 147:3, He heals the brokenhearted and binds up their wounds. So I believe that the places where my heart has been wounded are now being touched by your compassion. Where my mind has been troubled, bring calm. Where my body has been weak, bring strength. Where my spirit has been weary, bring renewal. Lord, I declare that your healing power is greater than any sickness, greater than any pain, greater than any emotional burden, greater than any fear about the future, because nothing is impossible for you. Father, as this new day unfolds, help me walk with the confidence that healing is already beginning. Help me trust the process even when I cannot yet see the full outcome. Help me remember that your love is working quietly behind the scenes. And now, Lord, I speak these affirmations of faith over my life. I am healed. I am restored. I am strengthened. God's healing power flows through my life. God's peace fills my heart. God's strength renews my spirit. I release pain. I release fear. I release discouragement. And I receive healing. I receive peace. I receive strength. My body is being restored. My mind is being renewed. My heart is being comforted. Father, thank you for the healing that is already taking place. Thank you for the restoration that is unfolding. Thank you for the strength that is rising within me. Even before I see the full result, I trust that you are working. Even before the journey is complete, I believe in your promises. Because the God who created my life is also the God who restores it. And so today, I move forward with faith. Faith that healing is real. Faith that restoration is possible. Faith that your love is stronger than any pain I have faced. Faith that I am healed and that my healing is permanent. In Jesus' name, amen.